Kaya with Kaijin Japanese Live. I'm at the boat race in Omori, Otoku. I'm gonna go in and try to win some money. See it? It's on the screen. 知らないことですけど、100円ですよ。$1 to get in here. It's only $1 to get in here. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm going in. I never gambled. I don't know what I'm doing, but they gave me a paper. They gave me some kind of paper. I don't know what this means. These must be the racers. Crazy. Where do you see the boats? Where are the boats? Look at this guy is betting. Look at all these people. All these people are betting on the races. Where's the race? Smells good. Look at this place. It's a cool place though. Can you believe this is in the middle of the city though? It's like this place is, they made this place. This is crazy. Crazy amount of land. If you know the land prices in Japan, it's crazy. Somebody told me that it's 8 minutes until the next race. It's so hot. It's unbelievable. But I'm sure everybody's gonna rush up when it's closer, so I want to get one race in. Okay, here's a card. 9th race. I don't know. He got mad at me. He says that I am not the betting type. I should not bet on anything. I should just watch it. So, looks like nobody's going to tell me how to do it. But I'm just going to watch the boat race because I have no idea. I'm not a gambler. He said that he had lost 3 houses. He got divorced 3 times because he used too much money gambling. So, okay, the race is going to begin. I did not bet. I have no idea. Oh, look. This is on the screen, too. This is exciting. I wish I bet like 100 yen, though. Oh, looks like it's going to start. Look at that. Okay, now the race has begun. Wow. It's annoying. number 2. Only 8 people bet on 2. They get 2,810. 3 people, they get 7,260, $72. Number 2 gets $28. What is that? Oh, I didn't have time to read it. Wow, that was really interesting. Now everybody goes back in and they start doing it all over again. Okay, it's gonna start like in 24 seconds. So remember what I said. Did you pick yours? I picked. I already told you. I picked 9 seconds. 9 seconds. Oh. Did you see that? He crashed. Oh no. Oh, that's awful. I think I said 5, 3. Well, there's 5. They're gonna go over top of him. Did I say 2? I did say 2. Do you remember? I said 2, 3. Who is it? 3. 6, 2. 3, 6, 2, 5. 3, 6, 2, 5. 3, 6, 2, 5. I said 3. I said 5. And I said 1, I think. Remember I talked about 3? 3 people got 2 samani set. They got $1,320. Huh? They got $1,320. Who picked 3 got 100. Huh? $1,302. Oh, they won big. $1,300 they won for 3. The other one was like $300. That's big. These races are bigger.